The head box with module jet dilution water technology has a very decisive influence on the fiber quality of the entire paper web. Fiber orientation and basis weight profile can be optimized here independently of each other. The supply to the head box is subdivided into two stock flows. On the one hand, the main flow, that is the fiber and filler suspension, and on the other, the dilution flow, consisting of white water with only a very low percentage of fibers. In the two headers, the main flow and the dilution flow are distributed at constant pressure across the machine width. In the mixing chambers, the main flow is mixed with the dilution flow. The module jet units with the mixing chambers and valves are arranged beside each other over the entire width of the head box and have the function of regulating the local stock consistency. A metering valve controls the exact mixing ratio. This mixing ratio ultimately determines the basis weight of the finished paper. An intensive blending of the two partial stock flows is achieved by a throttle plate at the transition to the distributor block. After the blended stock flows have steadied in the intermediate duct, the total flow in the turbulence generator is again split into many small stock flows and a precisely defined degree of turbulence is generated. This is necessary in order to achieve a homogeneous suspension and therefore an optimal paper quality. In the head box nozzle, the suspension is then brought together again, accelerated to jet velocity, and brought onto the wire with a jet thickness of approximately 8 millimeters. By adjustment of the slice by fractions of millimeters, the jet angle and thus fiber orientation are controlled. The tensile strength of the paper can be controlled by specific regulation of the differential speed between jet and wire.